In this video, we will see how the student will take the exam on his browser instead of downloading AI-Proctor software. Um, the exam link is this browser exam link. We send this browser exam link to the students. It can be taken from here directly, and it can be, for example, sent through the learning management systems of the students, or it can be sent by email to the students by uploading the students' emails here, and it can be sent either using a customized email or a generic email from our website. In addition to that, we can actually restrict the access to the students to the only a list of the students. So for example, if we have 10 students and we would like only these students to go to the exam, then we generate actually we upload these the IDs of these students or the emails of these students, a certain identifier, and only the students that log in with this identifier will be allowed to go to the exam. We can actually make also a customized link for each student. So for example, instead of sending that generic link, we have a customized link for each of these students so that he can use it and go to the exam only once. So now that the what is required is the student click on this link. So let's go to this link. Here, we would like the student to enter his email, or actually he can enter a certain ID, then log in. It actually first asks to share the entire screen to go to the exam, because AI-Proctor access the screen, and then it asks permission for the camera and microphone, and then it takes a picture, because we have said that we would like same person verification, so we will verify that the same person is going to the exam, is that started the exam, is the one that will continue the exam. Now the exam started. So as we see, this is we have 15 questions here, and each question is shown one by one. The questions are shown one by one in a progressive way. And you can navigate through this navigator on the right to any question. Once you answer the question, it shows as green. If it's not answered, it's still on gray, and the active question is in orange. Then we select few answers here. Of course, what is on top can be edited from the exam editor, the word TechieBees and the name, etc. This can be edited. Now, yeah, the student answers the questions, navigate and answer the questions. So yeah, let's pick any question, any answers, please. So answer all questions, and then we will submit over there. So during the exam, if the test taker left the exam station, for example, he will receive a notification that he needs to focus on the exam. If he tries, as we see, the exam was on full screen mode. If he tries to leave this full screen mode, he will get a notification, and this will be sent to the examiner as a cheating attempt. So now let's see the grades of the students that went to the exam. We see here grades. We see the student that just entered the exam. He got 5. Let's go inside and see his answers. We see that the first 2 questions were correct, and then we have all these. Question number 10 was not answered, so it is none, and then we have the rest here. We can write a comment for each student if we would like to write something in this MCQ section comment. This is, of course, graded automatically. So this is for the grading. Now, if we have any number of students, we get that, and we can download the grades in an Excel format from the download grades button up there. Let's go back, please. Here we can see also the reports. So this is the student that went to the exam. We'll see few audio cheating because I was talking during the exam. And we will have the screen and camera recording down there. So please, can you please maximize this one? Yeah. So we see the screen view of the test taker. It's in full screen mode. And as you see, it is in fast-paced mode. We have seen the whole test in just a few seconds. And we see also what happened on the camera view on the bottom right corner of the test taker. Let's go back, please. There are some other options that can be done during the exam. So for Proctor the event, this is the real-time proctoring that we will see during the other part of the demo. And then for the monitor students, these are the surveillance system that we have talked about. For the student requests, if the student, for example, does not have a camera access and the exam needs a camera, to go to the exam, then actually they can request access to the exam without the camera. And the instructor can allow or prevent the student from going inside. There is a chat room if the student would like to chat with the instructor. It's two-way chat between the instructor and the test taker. And we have the student identifications. We get the pictures and the IDs and names of the student that entered the exam. So these are the different options that are available for the online exam during the exam. So in the next video, we'll see how the exam can go to the exam using our desktop application.